Yo, what's up guys, Andy here. Quick tutorial video. I'm going to show you how to add music to your Snapchats. So you can do this before or after you take the Snapchat. If you want to do it before, tap right there on that music icon. That's going to give you a panel where you can select whatever music you want. And then if you start to record, it will automatically add that music over your recording. Or you can just do this, start recording, record whatever you want, and then tap the music on the right side of the screen afterwards and add music this way. So we'll just tap this one at the top. You can see that adds music over my clip. I can swipe on this to adjust the section of the song that I want and then click the check mark and this music has been added. So you can do that with a video here. You can do this on a photo as well. There you have it, how to add music to your Snapchats. I hope you guys found this helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't lay your problems on the past.